So today, book, knife. This is an old copy. I'm going to be doing a cover reveal soon of the new cover, but I have the new ones ordered, and I figured it would be a great time to take one of the old ones, and I can cut it up to have the pages, so I can make content with just the pages, and do a little more with it. I don't like destroying books, so I want to do it with you guys, so maybe it'll give me a little more confidence to cut this up. Oh, this is painful. I hate it. I hate it here. Oh, it's so sad. How do these book binders do it? Because, like, that felt tragic. It hurts a little. We have two halves. It's not in, what are those things called? Signatures. It's not in signatures, it's just glued, so I don't know if I should just go through and, like, cut pages out? Or what? She's completely just in pages now. Oh my god, it's so crazy to see, like, how it looks when it's all taken apart. So now it's time to go make content, but here we go.